Hi guys, welcome to the first vlog of 2022. I feel like I haven't vlogged in a month, and finally I'm back with a vlog. Much better now, just have a bit of a sore throat, and yeah, looking at my emails, 1300 right now. I'm getting to them. I'm getting to them.
I think I let my guard down. Certain things ain't the same now. Hard to navigate these problems. I'm by myself, you're not around. I try to open up.
Cookie, you doing okay here? You wanna come to the other room? Or you wanna sleep here? Okay here? Okay, sleep. Okay, today, the last couple of days have been really insane for me. Lots of drama happening. My dad had a major psoriasis breakout all over his face and was affecting his eyes. So to see the dermat, the eye doctor, all of that. Then yes, today, so for the last 2 days, Mars has been unwell. You guys must have noticed the patch on his back. So I think he got bitten by some fleas, is what the vet says, and that was itching him madly, and he couldn't rest. So just kind of sanitize the whole house with Dettol and the works, today, and given him a lot of medication, hand feeding him, taking care of him. And yeah, it's been quite a day so far, and I haven't even eaten my lunch yet. It's still the afternoon. I'm going to shoot Monday's video right now. This is my new camera. You guys know I struggle with this one, but yeah, I'm gonna shoot with this. This room is fairly clean now, guys. Working on creating content here. Right now this is just Mars's bed I've kept here in case he wants to come here and sleep, but he is comfortable under that bed. This whole area is all clean. All the kachra is only on the bed. There's always something to clean, right? I think if I have a completely spick and span room, I'm not Sherry. So there are many Sherrys. There's messy Sherry, there's scary chef Sherry, and what other Sherrys are there? Sexy Sherry, nutty Sherry. So yeah, we are now gonna shoot this video, which is going to be something you will enjoy, I think, or it'll help you at least. It's basically the impending lockdown. Okay, this crow is really not stopping. Shh. 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 Got the crow. Back to what I was telling you. So yeah, the video that I'm working on today is basically about how to cope with another lockdown, because I know it's coming, and it's driving everybody insane. So yeah, that is what the video is about. Going to be shooting that on that camera, also vlogging today for you guys for tomorrow. Lots lined up in today's vlog. We've got my halwa recipe, because I will obviously make halwa raat ko, and yeah, just gonna tweeze some of my chin hair. I got some, I've done laser, so I don't have a lot, but you can see these are the there's very little, but that's all that I kind of get now. So either tweeze it, shave it, whatever. I also use the shaver. My face one doesn't have a battery right now, so just using my brow one, or here, to just quickly get rid of the hair. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly do that and set up and shoot.
Oh, I can't believe. Don't say you love me, then go and leave me. It can't get ugly, trust and believe me. Saying to myself, looks are deceiving. Trying to fight back, just far from easy. I've seen your head.
Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Shh. Okay, we got a mic. We gotta go. Hi guys! So now you know how I do the hi guys. Okay, my footage is transferring. I'm just gonna quickly eat some lunch. Then I've got to kind of sort this living room situation again. I want to get rid of my 2 sofas that are around here, which you're seeing. I'll show you guys everything, and then it'll soon be time for Mr's second walk. So yeah, just gonna quickly eat. For lunch, I'm having what we call prawn rus chawal, and yeah, that's what I'm eating. I'm not really going to film the eating because I realize there's really bad audio here at my dining table and you hear a lot of ambient sound and like traffic and all of that. So just going to quickly gobble my lunch and then come back to you. Okay, folks, so just got back from Mazi's walk. Did not end up doing the living room stuff because my dad woke up and now it's his time to Netflix and he's watching his stuff. So I will do that tomorrow afternoon, but you will see it now. Okay, so this is the ready folded laundry which has to go into my closet. Ignore that. Ignore those packets because those are all like things to be given away to people. These are actually the 2 single-seater sofas that need to go. So we're just going to empty them and toss them. Okay, back to me here. Gonna do a bit of an unboxing. I've got a lot of stuff that I have ordered myself. Some gifts that have come in, and this giant box which is my Dyson lamp which was repaired and has been sent back. I sent it to Dyson to get repaired, but yeah, just gonna quickly show you what I ordered, what I got, just random unboxing.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go.
Okay, peeps, I've got some really amazing stuff and some basic COVID supplies. I'm gonna show you guys everything. Okay, here we go. So first up, I have this beautiful clutch with my name on it. How cool is that? This is from Oceana clutches. Thank you so much, Rima and Rashi. This is really sweet. I really can't wait for when I can actually go out and party and use this. This is so beautiful. Love this. Then we have some COVID supplies. So I got a bunch of home tests from Amazon. This is just to keep for the house, for the family. Some will go to my house, some will stay here, just so we have them and we use them. Like last week or 2 weeks ago when we were all ill, we used these and they were really good. Some N95 masks for everybody because now we can't really rely on the cloth masks anymore, so ordered a bunch of those as well, for everyone, staff, for my parents, for me, for our house, for here. So yeah, that's that. And this guy, so this guy is a tongue cleaner. It's actually, I think, for children. It says Mimi Tender Tongue Cleaner. I ordered this off Amazon when my Trissa one was out of stock. You guys know I love the Trissa ones, and then I got my Trissa one and I didn't end up using this one, and I put it in my house saying, you know, I'll use it occasionally. But it is so good that I ordered another one for me here. So Mimi is really good. If you're looking for a good tongue cleaner, I will link it below along with the other stuff. Now we have something exciting. My favorite girl, Aprajita Toor, sent me these. How gorgeous are these? Okay, so I'm gonna try these, and someone's honest stuff, but I'm gonna try these and use my new clutch and show them to you right now because I'm very excited about them.
Looking at me, boy, you're looking at me, girl. You're looking at me, keeping that love, but you're looking at me. I keep it red, but they keep it calm.
How cool is this, guys? Like, this is my look for whenever I'm going anywhere next. But yeah, I'm obsessed with these and this. Thank you, guys. Okay, where's my focus gone? Okay, back. Okay, so we are getting ready for a bit of a Zumba belly dancing class situation. Hi, bye, Babi. How are you feeling? Is my babu feeling? Babu's feeling good? and yeah, it's part of my New Year resolutions to get fit, and yeah, so getting cracking on that. Gonna do the class and feel better about myself and my resolutions in the first week of January.
Your posture, feet in line with your hips, soft knees, pelvic tilt, and then just let the rib cage up and relax the shoulders. All right, that's your posture.
Okay, class done. I'm actually scared to see the random clips that I've recorded because they're going to be so bad. I love to dance, but I don't really have the best hand-leg coordination when I do. And this was fun. Like from a fitness perspective, I wanted to do something that's easy and get back after being ill for a while. And Mr. never left me through the class. He was as confused as I was. You were, right? No licking your medicine. You were as confused as I was, right? He was looking at me like, what is she doing? Good baby. Let's go give you some dinner. Come on. Okay, so I'm eating a truckload of mutton and rice and watching the Brad Show bunch. It's gonna be a good night.
Hate to swipe right on a date with you. I swear to God. Aaron, deactivate my account. No!
Folks, Scary Chef Sherry is here. So today we're gonna make my halwa that you've been seeing on my Instagram, and the amount of requests I get for this halwa recipe is insane. I'll be honest with you, this is not my recipe. My mother-in-law actually makes this. It's like, I guess, a North Indian thing, and when I had a bad throat with TB, that's when I think I had it the first time when she made it, and it kind of tastes like toffee, and I always used to say like the toffee dessert type thing. It's really yummy, like dessert. And this time when I was sick last week, I was craving it, so I just winged it and I tried to make it myself. Mine is not as good, and some days it's lumpy, some days it's nice. So yeah, I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but this is how I do it. So basically this is all you need. There's some besan atta, some jaggery, some ghee and water. So the first thing you want to do is like take a chunk of ghee. Be generous with this because I mean that's what gives it the taste and the flavor and everything, and also you can't use oil, you have to make it in ghee. Once most of the ghee is melted, we're gonna add the besan to this. So you can take about one small bowl or cup depending on how many people are eating this, and you want to just mix that really nicely and keep like mixing it and stirring it. And now we're gonna make the gas a little lower. You wanna put that on like the lowest flame and keep mixing. So yeah, right now my halwa is kind of yellowy or orangey. It needs to become like a brown. Like the darker, the nuttier and the yummier it is. You can already start smelling the atta cooking, and it's really, you have to do this on the lowest flame. Because if you don't, it will get burnt and become kadak, and then it won't really work. This is what I learned from my mother-in-law. And yeah, so I'm just going to keep stirring this until you have like a nice brown nutty like color. I'm not going to use another term to describe it. Do you know what I mean? Like a nice dark brown. So I've added in some more besan because I felt like it was still too much ghee and too little besan. So it should be like a nice thick consistency like this, because we're going to add water and thin it anyways. And you want to just keep mixing this way and browning it until you get that nice color, that nutty smell. So it takes about 10-12 minutes. And I used to I prefer doing this in my non-stick because it doesn't burn as fast. Like if I do it in a kadai, I feel like it's harder, and you've got to just keep moving it this way and mixing it, otherwise it's gonna burn. Now once you've got this nice dark brown color, you want to add some jaggery to this. I usually use a couple of spoons, but again, this is to taste, so depending on whatever you like or whatever works for you, just do that. Just give it a nice mix, And then we're gonna add some water to thin it out and mix everything. Okay, now we've got this nice brown mixture and we're just gonna add water to this. So at first it'll seem like the water is not really mixing with the halwa, but it'll dissolve in the water. Just keep stirring and like pressing it like this, and then you'll see it drying up. I also feel like I put too much pani right now, so I'm gonna have to wait for some of it to evaporate in the excitement of shooting this. So now we're gonna put the gas a little higher so that this can, you know, all mix, come to a boil. So you can see it's getting thicker and you're getting that halwa consistency and everything is beginning to melt. Look at that. Again, you want to just keep stirring till you get this nice like chocolatey, like toffee like consistency. Guys, I think this is the most beautiful halwa I've made ever. And once you're happy with the consistency like this, smooth, yummy, just put it into a bowl and gobble. Look at this, folks. This is like the halwa of my dreams. Like, look at the color, the texture. It is amazing. And it's so good when you have like a bad throat or a cold. Scary Chef Sherry's been doing well these days, guys. Like, this is the best halwa I've eaten the last 10 days. So, yay! Okay, I'm gonna go back to watching my show, eating my halwa, and fretting over the impending lockdown that we're gonna have, because I'm gonna be eating a lot of halwa over the next few weeks if that happens. And yeah, it's a really easy recipe. I didn't know it was that easy to make. It just takes patience and you gotta do everything on slow so you don't burn it, but it's yummy. So that's it from me, guys. That's the vlog. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs up. And comment below if you're gonna try the halwa recipe and what your favorite part from the vlog was. I will see you guys soon. Bye.